Shopify in a breeze. As a trusted Shopify tutorial for beginners, we'll guide you through these steps with ease, ensuring you can smoothly manage transactions on your online store. Whether you're just starting out with Shopify or looking to streamline your payment process, follow along as we break it all down for you. Let's begin our journey on the Shopify platform by heading to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your online store, where you oversee all of your activities, from product management to financial transactions. On the left-hand side, you will notice a vertical navigation bar with various sections. What you need to do is look towards the bottom left corner, where an option labeled Settings can be found. Go ahead and click on that. After selecting Settings, you'll be greeted with a list of configurable options. Our next stop on this tour is Payments, a crucial area where you control how transactions are handled on your site. Give the Payments section a click, and we'll delve deeper into configuring your store's payment options. Inside the Payments section, you are presented with several choices. Here, you have the flexibility to select additional payment methods that will work best for your customers and business model. Shopify provides its own seamless payment solution known as Shopify Payments, which is fully integrated with your store, simplifying the management of transactions. Opting for Shopify Payments can streamline your business operations, offering benefits like competitive transaction rates and no additional transaction fees beyond payment processing. However, if you have specific needs or preferences for third-party gateways, Shopify caters to that as well. You can choose among a variety of third-party payment methods to best suit your business needs and customer preferences. Each third-party gateway may come with its own set of instructions and fees, so it's important to consider what aligns most with your goals and your customers' convenience. Once you've finalized which payment method suits your needs, follow any prompts to complete the setup process. Installation may vary slightly depending on the payment provider you choose, so just ensure you have access to any necessary account details or documentation while you work through this setup phase. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you have successfully configured the payment options on your Shopify store. This simple process ensures you're ready to accept payments and move forward with running your online business. I hope this guide has been helpful and has set you up for success as you venture into e-commerce with Shopify. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and guides. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!